Hey you, thanks for coming to the channel. My name's Alexis Cardoza, and this being my very first video on a channel that's been dormant for quite some time, but I've always wanted to pick things right back up where I left off. Couple things about what's going to be going on here in the channel, but before we get to that, I would love for you all to take the time to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share the channel with all of your friends out there. What will this channel be bringing to you? What kind of value will I be bringing to you? Well, let me give you this. I've been doing this for over 10 years, and by this I mean a lot of the behind-the-scenes work when it comes to filmmaking or television. Now, I want to take that passion and give it back to everyone. I want to educate people that are now trying to get into the business or trying to YouTube and have no idea how to maybe simplify things in their lives. And that's what I want to do. I want to be able to simplify things. A lot of other YouTubers on here are going to give you some great advice, and I suggest that whoever it is you're listening to and they're giving you good advice, to continue to listen. But if you just happen to land here because you know that someone else shared it and you want to see what I'm going to be bringing to you, well, thank you. And a lot of the things that I want to be able to share with you guys is the fact that there's a lot of content creators out there that cannot afford the latest and greatest gear or the best of lighting or whatever the case may be. So I want to be your guide to that like budget filmmaking, budget content creating world. I have also had over 9 years or so, over 7 years or so of radio. And I want to be able to share my ideas and my thoughts and my creative nuances around podcasting, because that's like the latest and greatest thing. What gear or, you know, what microphones, and all again within the same niche with the same budget aspect of things. So I can't wait to kind of like just share all of this knowledge with you. That's the type of value I want to bring to you today. This is basically just like a little channel trailer where I want to be able to get to know everyone that's watching this right now. So if you are watching this, again, hit up the comment section below and let me know what you guys want me to talk about, what ideas you have in your head that you want to create and you're kind of stuck and you want to know what are the best ways to get those I don't know, ideas or podcasts or even a YouTube video or short if you're filming a short. Any of that, I want to bring you my expertise. I hope I'm able to bring you guys a lot of value and all the knowledge that I have to you so you'll be able to create something special today. Once again, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit up that subscribe button, hit the like, bing, and also share this with your friends. So many more videos coming. Thank you again. See you guys soon.